Welcome, ladies and gentlemen. It's Saturday evening. It's 9 p.m. and I'm gonna go trolling up Gawthorpe Hall. I'll go exploring, see if we can find any nice photo spots, really. Oh, big speed bump. Hello, neighbours. Now this is smart. It looks like it's from like a horror movie or something. With the trees and stuff. Oh, that's well smart. I want to see if I can get a photo. Oh, my phone's dead. Fuck. I'm definitely coming back here sometime. Uh-oh. I see people in the road. Being menacing. What is this? Although port. Fuck you. You don't tell me what to do. That's fair smart. So that is Gawthorpe Hall. I don't think I've ever been in there, but I've been round it. Now there's a nice little garden bit. Some steps up there into I think it's a reservoir or a lake. It's nice here though. I can tell that my hay fever's going to flare up like fuck, so I'm going to disappear. Oh, we're going green laning. It's not exactly green laning, but it's a track. Oh dear. Hold on. Let's all just say a prayer first before we go. Oh dear. God, it kills round. I want to go this way. I'm going this way. What's this way? Is there a cattle grid? Oh yeah, there's a cattle grid. Oh God, please don't anyone confront me. I'll just be like, I'm lost, help. This is not good for my tyres, oh God. And this is actually really cool. See, I never went off-roading with Rivi. Jesus, how long does this go on for? Oh gee. Oh my gosh. Jeez. See them all in my headlight. I'll put the high beam on. Ah! They're everywhere! Oh dear. This is nice, this actually. See, if it wasn't so rural, as in there's houses surrounding it absolutely everywhere, it'd be a nice place to go camping, this. I'm not even attempting to go down here. What is this? Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh, for Can I get it through? Not a cat in hell's chance. Fuck, I'm gonna have to turn around and go all the way back. Oh, back tire spinning. Oh, Jesus. Off we go again. Second gear. See, I'm not even... That's just a glitch riding now. I'll just let it go. Oh. I am so trespassing. Oh dear, I'm slowing down. Oh. I am not cut out to be a dirt bike rider, I'll tell you that. I can just hear them laughing at me with their two strokes. Pussy! Pussy! Gun it, pussy! I reiterate what I say. This is a really nice place. It's like the Burnley Witch Project. Never mind the Blair Witch. Oh dear. Oh. Squeaky brakes. Why did I do this? I've made a fatal error. It's legit your prayers that's keeping me upright right now. So while I'm doing this and trying not to die, I want to give a shout out to Adam MWV, who is an insanely hilarious motovlogger. I really enjoy his videos. So go follow him on Twitter, go subscribe, and watch his stuff, because it has actually left me laughing out loud. I'll leave a link to his channel in the description, and he deserves more views. So yeah, go check him out. Really funny guy, really funny videos, especially the one where he gets his missus to reenact what happened out on the road. Makeup's spot on. Should make a beauty channel as well. Oh, right, this is the new track now. Off we go. This is that staircase I was on about. I am not taking the bike down there. Oh my gosh. I think I'm not supposed to be here. Oh, that's nice. Check that out. Ah, that's lovely. I think I'm going to turn around now. No, I'm not going down there, because I am definitely going to get the police called on me. I'm crushing my thumb on my tank. So, off-roading, would I recommend it? It's fun, but I think it'd be more fun if you had the right equipment, as in a dirt bike, and not a fucking ER6N. Nonetheless, it is fun. Would I get a dirt bike? Nah, not a fan of them really. I mean, they look nice, but would I get one personally? Nah. Can't deal with narrow seats, it gets me right in the gooch. Oh dear. Don't like this. Narrow seats, not comfy. So I'm guessing that's just the car park for that building there. Oh, there's a rabbit! There's a rabbit! I see a rabbit! Oh, Jesus! I see a rabbit! Do you see it? Hello! Oh no! Come back! I love you! Come back! Love me! I love you! Ah, it's so cute! I want one! Off-roading again, shall we? Oh dear. Oh no, why did I do this? So yeah, thanks for watching. Let me know if you think I should do some more of these, go exploring. And like if you liked, yeah. Subscribe, tell your friends, tell your grandparents, tell your mother, tell your father. And until next time, see you later.